Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your iPhone 15 Plus. So on this device we don't have a Google Lens, so we have to do it by the other way. In the first step, open your web browser, then go to the google.com. Okay, now it's very important step. Switch your web browser to the desktop side. So click on the three-line button and choose the request desktop side. Now click on the click on the small camera icon and select upload a file. Choose the source of your photo, like a photo library, and just pick the image that you want to search in the Google, like this one for example. Now click on the done, and whole process starting automatically, and we are looking for similar or the same image in the Google Picture database. You can also change the searching area by swiping the edges to look for something more specific. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, let's like, recommend, and goodbye.